Hello YouTube world, Tony with Po Boy Adventures. We're here today to do a unboxing of the Dagger DDH B red and green dot reflex sight that I got purchased from Amazon. So we'll get to it right here. Looks like it's pretty well boxed up. There's some specs on it. Go ahead and get to the unboxing here. Let's see what we got. This is supposed to be a veteran-owned company, Dagger Defense. Pretty nice box. Pretty nice graphic on the box. It comes with the 2 batteries. I think it uses one at a time. Lithium battery there. Lithium. The directions. The different ones that they have. The one that we ended up getting here was the DDH B. There's a sticker. Please read before use. Have to check that before I stick it on and clean the cloth. Dagger Defense. Never attempt to mount this item on any other this item or any other item to a loaded firearm. Always inspect the firearm before handling. Thank you for your purchase. Installation instructions. And there again, there's the parts of what we got. Quick little unboxing video that I wanted to do before I get ready to put it on my AR. Like I said, don't know how it's going to hold up on my AR. Don't know if I even like it for sure, but before I went and bought a real high dollar AR, or optic for my AR, I should say. The AR that I built. Check out that video. I'll put a link to it on this video. But the AR that I built, I wanted to get me some kind of little optic for it. So I should get it over here and get this one out and get it off the box. Now, the box that it came in is a pretty well packed box. There it is. Dagger Defense. Red and green. There's where the battery's going to go. There's your, and this one has different optics, or reticles rather, on the actual screen. There's those, if you can see them. You'll have a regular dot, crosshairs, and I think there's an EOTech circle. So we'll go ahead and take a brief break, and I'll put some batteries in it and we'll take a look at it. Okay, here we are back. Got the battery in it, and we are set on, looks like it's on the red dot, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it to the on. Well, I said it would. A little hard to do with one hand. Let's see here. There we go. And there it is. There's the green. Green optic. Can't really see it real good on the phone, but it's lit up and it's good and bright. I think I might like this pretty good. Let's see what we got there. Change it. appears to be a circle. It looks like it could be the dot. Yep, there's the dot. And you've got over there, we have the circle and the dot. And like I said, the phone is not going to do it justice. But anyway, that's green. Let's see. Let's go to the red here. Turned it off. It's going over around to the red. Hope that was the green again. Let's see what we got here. There's a off position. And this is supposed to co-phase well, it said, with my, there's the red optic. It's supposed to co-phase very well with the Magpul flip-ups that I have mounted on my AR. And very, very nice made. Appears to be, I mean, it's solid, it's all metal, it feels good. I think I'm really going to like this better than the other one that I bought. I bought a regular looking scope type red dot. Got it from Amazon. Didn't even put it on because when I unboxed it and I put it on the gun, didn't even shoot it rather. Unboxed it, one of the covers wouldn't stay closed. It just kept on popping open, so I wanted something a little bit different. And I was looking at this. This was like 4.5 star rating. I like the way it looked. I think I'm more like the way it looks on the gun. So, may get a little bit of a review here in a minute with it on the gun, but we'll go ahead and get it mounted and see what it looks like. It's Tony with the Po' Boy Adventures. We'll get her mounted. Might go out and shoot her some later on, and I'll give you all either another short video of how well it did on the AR. But nonetheless, Dagger Defense, real nice looking optic. And you can see there's the mirrored finish on the other one side, and there's the looking through it with nothing on. So far I think I'm gonna like it. Let's see what it does. Here's where your battery goes in this little cover here, and it's also your off and on for your red and green. And there's your switches for your different reticles. And I am slap happy and tired, so I'm going to get off here, and I may do a whole new review later. But that was the unboxing of the Dagger Defense, the DDH B red and green dot reflex sight. Alright, until then, Tony with Po' Boy Adventures. Catch you later.